welcome back to my channel. So I've seen this thing going around the internet and Pinterest called rolled ice cream, and this is what it looks like. It looks so good and so delicious, and I decided to try it out, but with a little twist. I wanted to make it Halloween themed so that you guys could use it for any parties that you have, or if I could use this in the future. So I went on Pinterest and I was scrolling down and I found a few different recipes, but the easiest one that I found was a BuzzFeed video that had only 3 ingredients. So I decided to try it out for you guys. If you guys didn't know, because it is October, I am posting 2 times a week, which is why I'm posting on Sunday, and I'm also going to be doing a special Halloween video on Wednesday, so make sure that you stay tuned for that by subscribing down below and also turning on all notifications. Before we get started, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up for these challenge videos, cooking videos, or anything Halloween related. It's definitely my favorite time of the year. And let's get on into the video. Let's go! Okay guys, so I found this super easy recipe on Pinterest that called for condensed milk, heavy cream, and sprinkles and salt, and it was like literally the easiest thing, so I had to try this out. So the first thing that I did was just opened up my heavy cream, and I needed 2 cups of heavy cream. I put that into a large mixing bowl. Then the next thing that I did was I added in my 1 can of condensed milk, and I stirred that around. Next, I added 1 pinch of salt and mix it all together. Have a pan that has a small, about 1-inch rim around the side of it, just so that it will keep the liquid in, and all you're going to need to do now is just pour it out into the pan, making sure that the whole thing is covered. Then add your toppings. I just added some fall sprinkles. And then you're just going to use a whisk and lightly whisk it in. And boom, that's about all for this recipe. It seemed way too good to be true. Now it is the time that I could definitely mess this up. Now you're going to freeze it from 4 to 5 hours, and even more than that if you want it to be harder. So I just stuck it in the freezer for 5 hours, and let's see how it turned out. Okay, you guys, big reveal time. I just took this out of the freezer, and now I'm going to take a spatula that I stuck in the freezer to also get it cold. I'm going to cut it into 4 different thin slices across the pan, and now let's start rolling. Oh my gosh, you guys, this actually works pretty good. It was a little bit too thick, but let's keep rolling and find out. You guys, this was perfect. It was so good, except that I probably should have froze it more because it was a little bit sticky and still wet and not exactly frozen yet. Oh my gosh, you guys, this turned out so good and it tasted so delicious. Like, you have to try this out because it is the most delicious party snack or just snack for Halloween or fall or anything, except if you guys want it to be a little bit less sweet, because I think I added too much condensed milk. Make sure that you add less condensed milk and more of the heavy cream, and then this will give it a less sweet texture. And also, it tasted so good. It actually tasted like ice cream. So I'm definitely going to use this out. If you guys liked this video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below if you're going to try it or if you did. And let's get on into the end card. Whoop!